So, guys, good morning once again. This is Thomas and Noel Noella 1 1. We are now exiting from Changi International Airport, heading to the Marina Bay Ferry Wharf Terminal to take our ferry to Batam, Indonesia. This is just the outside of the airport. It's clean, right? It is absolutely clean. This is not any fabricated video or any AI video or any special effects. This is just pure video shot on my Redmi mobile. No iPhone, G phone, B phone, nothing. It's just a normal phone, and I assume clarity is quite good enough. I'm taking these efforts to show the people of my country as to how clean Singapore is. No garbage, no pan stains, nothing. So what is the difference? It's basically our people who do not believe in hygiene. It's simple. There's no rocket science involved in maintaining hygiene. It is just civic sense. Every individual's responsibility to keep our country clean. So we love our country. We say that. We say जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि हम अपने देश से बहुत प्यार करते हैं वगैरह वगैरह and all that. But we just dirty our own country. We spit. We defecate in the open. We litter garbage, trash. Look at these people, Singaporeans. I understand it's a small nation. There's limited population. But what can I say? Every child, every person here understands their responsibility. And the funny part is, let's look at those beautiful trees. I put a video before, but that was not very clear. But now check this video out. Amazing, isn't it? So what I'm trying to say is, even the small children here understand how important it is to keep their country clean. What I was saying is, यहाँ की जो लेबर क्लास जो है, लेबर फोर्स जो है ना, वो मोस्टली इंडिया से और नेपाल से आते हैं यहाँ पे to work here on the roadside. As you can see here, some of the working here. So they too are disciplined. Though they are Indians, but they understand that if they do any kind of littering or they throw garbage, they are fined $500 on the spot. There is no excuse. $500 फाइन यहाँ पे अगर आपने यहाँ पे लिटर किया तो ये तो जिस एयरपोर्ट के बाजू से जा रहे हैं हम लोग, यू कैन सी द प्लेन इन द बैकग्राउंड. और ये मेरा काफ़ी ट्रिप्स हुआ सिंगापुर, और जब भी आता हूँ तो आई सी इट्स गेटिंग ब्यूटीफुल मोर एंड मोर. रियली डोंट अंडरस्टैंड यार कि ये कैसे मेंटेन करते हैं ये लोग. बेसिकली कॉमन सेंस. Love to our own country. We say we love India, and we say Bharat Mahan and everything we say, but we don't keep up to our words. We believe in littering, spoiling the place, dirtying it, no beautification, cutting down trees. Anyway, let's keep that aside. It's never going to end. This journey from the Changi International Airport to the Marina Bay Ferry Wharf Terminal should be around about 30 minutes, depending on the traffic. But I understand today is quite clean and clear, I mean. So we should not be having any problems. So from there we'll be boarding this ferry, which I'll be making another video, and that will take me to Batam. And I got a hotel stay there for one night. And I'll be joining my ship tomorrow. It's a mini bulk carrier. I'm making some videos on the ship also. So sit back, relax, enjoy these videos. As I said, no hype, no AI, no fabricated videos. Authentic stuff. Pure Singapore. for you. Do visit Singapore. That is also one thing which I would like to say is do visit Singapore, because Singapore is a beautiful country and it is expensive. Like now, since this is my company bus, I'm getting a free ride, but otherwise it's pretty expensive. I think $50 or something for this small ride. 50 Singapore dollars, I mean. And food is quite cheap in Singapore, especially the Indian outlets. Like if you go to Serangoon Road or Campbell Road, there you get Indian food and good food, quite subsidized rates. So mostly you'll find Indians in Serangoon Road, where you have a lot of temples and a lot of Indians to stay there. People have come here many years back and settled here, especially from Tamil Nadu. You'll find a lot of Tamilians here in Singapore. But another good thing about Singapore is that it's located near the equator. ये जो कंट्री ऑफ सिंगापुर जो है ना, ये इक्वेटर के पास है. तो यहाँ पे नॉर्मली क्या है कि 365 डेज यहाँ पे मानसून देता है. जैसे कि अभी तो इट्स ब्राइट एंड सनी, बट प्रॉब्ली टुमारो इट विल स्टार्ट रेनिंग. बारिश होता रहता है, तो इसके लिए यहाँ पे हरियाली भी अच्छा है और डस्ट भी नहीं होता है. That's God's gift actually to Singapore. कि यहाँ पे rains है and the roads are also clean. There's no need to wash it, and the drainage system is fantastic. There's no accumulation of water or anything. So ये God's gift to Singapore. Mostly, so Singapore is thriving on tourism. So a lot of people come here to have their vacations, and there are a lot of sightseeing places also, because Singapore is a small island city. It's hardly any distance to go from across Singapore, and people do go to Indonesia from here to enjoy, because Indonesia is a beautiful place. From here you can take a ferry, like which we are going to take, and it's cheaper in Indonesia. It's much cheaper than Singapore. The food is also cheap in Indonesia. Do visit these countries. I feel Europe is also there, but it's expensive. So to have a good vacation, these are the ideal locations to come. Okay, so I'll be making another video once I board the ferry. Till then, I'm signing off from this video. Take care. Have a good day. Do exercise, stay fit, and stay away from politics. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do like, share, subscribe it if you find this video good. Okay, maybe it's just a video which is shot on the roadside, but it makes good viewing, I suppose. Thank you so much.